Okay, amana do yini tieho cho yini uko mechunge bera ma parliament ma Lira City. Nenu ni tika kwene.
Po yung nunwak me Lira City me keto geni komatini ni ndio pia rio na dwe na pa na watutu mi rio kile pia rio ya beach. Mura nyuta tera me beria kine lisha rio Aceng Patricia Ogwang. Mene no ni atelo Lira City. Neno na tie aromo abongwen twang kutwak me Lira City. Me di ma chake keru geni kena abinu neno ni achobo. Abu namba cheli ya kina gi abinu neno ni VHTs jo empowering. Kopi kom gorida hata ala duo ame chente pe otede arope kere chente ento VHTC kajo mi chente kajo mi facilitation kajo kule yen meda hata al closer to otedero bero me kontitual adojo atero do tuwe da hata ala duongi nuoko wangu nuogi ni Panado nuogi ni Metro Goro the paying monopod VHTs and then other issues abirunendo kopi kom garbage management public health is my priority. Nanenoni, Lira City, Utunga Chill, and Amabera Chill yere, we are going to work together and see me. Garbage management is put into order. For those who discard and put rubbish where it's not supposed to be, as a city woman member of parliament, Abinonenoni, the city is kept clean. And how am I going to do that? Lobby for so many things, including tractors. I know the mayor is there, but if we work hand in hand, we are going to ensure there is safety, there is sanity within Lira City in relation to that. Kinukena maya birunelo, road crash tiameda within Lira City. Even as of yesterday, we noticed the road crashes that is persistent, increasing carnages. Ame anchalo, ame parliament, ame binu kuturu genu ikome. Abirunelo we put together signages and then ensure signages kuyogo. Signages I mean to say road signs will be into place. Even the road users are respected. And of course, by so doing, we shall ensure we have curbed road crash within Lira City. Thank you.
Oh boy.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.